Trading day was good. Mine was not the best, as we could see. A $150 loss on the day, but we'll take it nonetheless. We're one winning day away from a payout, and I wanted to just say I am currently debating what I want to do with this payout, because at the moment I think what I want to do is take out this payout and invest back for more evals instead of trying to go for a bigger payout so I can invest in more personal things. I think I want to take this payout, go for more evals, and really just invest back into my trading and just keep going on to bigger and better things. But enough of that. Let's get into the trade recap. So, today, obviously, A plus setup, followed my plan to the T, perfect. I love this setup so much. It was just a minor mishap that happened. Can't really do much about it. So, I'm gonna go to the daily. So on the daily time frame, we tapped into this gap on the 18th. And I'm already thinking like, okay, do we respect it? Which we did. So I'm like, all right, this is good. I love to see it. This is already good. Already seeing that we're bearish. Nothing even too crazy for us to see here. I already know that. ES doing the exact same thing, but we're staying inside of the fair value gap on ES. And Q, of course, is respecting it, but we kind of fell out of it. Let's go down, scale down to the 4 hour, and I now see that we are still respecting here. There's a small little sweep on the 4 hour. That was like later. This is kind of irrelevant. From when I was on the charts, this was what I was kind of seeing, like this bullish candle right here. Okay, the 1 hour is where I actually get my information. Like this is where information actually starts to flow in. So I'm seeing these lows. I think these were the 4 hour lows I was talking about. I'm seeing previous day low. I'm seeing the 4 hour low, and I'm seeing that we inverted this fair value gap. So we're disrespecting bullish displacement, and we're going lower. So already I'm thinking, okay, we are definitely bearish today. My bias is bearish. Now I have my A's in session high and my A's in session low marked out, and I'm waiting for one to get swept. I had multiple occasions here. I feel like this is one thing I should probably stop doing, and it's a habit that I feel like would catch up to me eventually. But before the day even starts, I already am just predicting the market or thinking what the market's gonna do, when in reality I should probably just go off reacting of what the market's doing, not predicting what's gonna happen. But when I got into the day, I was thinking, okay, we're gonna see this inversion, we're gonna go lower, we're not gonna sweep Asian session high, or we could sweep Asian session high. So now we swept Asian session high, we tapped into a 1 hour bearish gap, which I was not expecting. I marked it out, but I never anticipated us for us to go that high. And then after that, I scale down to the 5 minute after seeing us sweep A's in session high, because I know we are about to get a crazy reversal. And usually in these scenarios, I want more context, because I'm not one to really trade IFVGs. I usually trade, the 5 minute fair value gap, then the highest time frame inversion out of that gap for confirmation entry. I never really actually just enter off a 5 minute inversion. But we had so much conviction, we had so much riding on this. We had the bearish daily gap, the 1 hour gap getting tapped into, Asian session being sweep, same thing happening on ES, exact same thing. We inverted it on ES as well. So I was thinking, okay, wait for it. And I could say I really beat my impulses. I learned from the mistake of reacting on impulse. I waited for the close, finally got the close, and I entered. All right. So I entered the trade. I was gonna target equal lows all the way down here, which would have been crazy RR, 3.16 RR, but my stop got hunted, and then we just dumped all the way back down. So all the way down to Asian session low, and to be honest with you, I was targeting Asian session. Well, I don't want to say I was targeting Asian session low, but I just had like a tiny inkling that we might be going that low. But I just wanted to stay closer to somewhere that was going to be more reactive, which were these equal lows. I was going to go break even at this swing low, and I was going to call it a day. But we got stop hunted, and that's the end of it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. That was pretty much it, and peace.